In this video, we're doing a little cleaning and organizing in the kitchen and thought I would take you along. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. This episode is sponsored by Dossier. Now, please go by their website and check out all the available fragrances they have. I'm sure you'll find some that you will be pleased with for men and women. And also to remind you that they are now available at Walmart. Now, these are the two boxes that I received for this month. Now, they each come in the box, and the box has a card inside to tell you more details about the fragrance that you're receiving. Now, the first fragrance is Fruity Almond. And this has a really nice scent to it. Ladies, if you're looking for something that has a soft, sweet smell to it, you're looking for a Fruity Almond. I love the smell of this one. The next scent I have is Ombre Vanilla. Now this one is one I haven't smelled. I like this one. So if you're interested in any of these fragrances, please go to Dossier's link that will be down below. I want to thank Dossier for this opportunity to share with you their fragrances. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today, I'm going to be doing some cleaning in the kitchen. It's not going to be that much done, but it needs to be done. So I thought I will turn my camera on and let you guys watch. So let's get into the kitchen.
place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
Now here is the finished kitchen. Here's an overview, and it's clean. I'm happy. Everything is in its place. Now we're going to go inside and let you see the kitchen. Now here's are the cabinets, the countertops rather, that I have cleared off and cleaned and have everything in its proper place. Coffee station is set up for the summer. I'm using the greens and the blues, as you know, for the beach theme. And that white box, I don't like seeing cords on my cabinet, so I put that box there, and it hides the cords for you. Stove is nice and clean. Love it. And in the corner here, the air fryer is there. It's because it's a mechanism that's gone out inside the oven. And until it gets here, I have to use the air fryer. So the air fryer is either going to be there or it's going to be sitting on the island. But until then, it is what it is. The refrigerator is shiny. The oven has been cleaned. The microwave has been cleaned. The kitchen is done. And like they say, you burn a candle and you leave the kitchen. So let me know what you think about the kitchen down below in the descriptions. You know I love reading your comments. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.